Love is such a beautiful feeling. It holds the energy of creation. In fact, it is not something which comes and go, but as humans, it is our basic essence. It means that our foundation is love. It is something out of which we are made of. Love has very tender and feminine characteristics of giving and expecting nothing. Today we see a large number of people who are in abusive relationships and they name it as love. Love without consciousness is control, need and dependency. True love is freedom. There is only a fine difference between the two. What are you experiencing? When we are in an unconscious relationship, then we try to control each other, what they are doing, where they are going, whom they are meeting. It makes the other person feel guilty of who they truly are. What a narrow perspective of love they have. Such a love makes each other suffer and it suffocates them. It dims each other down. You ask yourself, is it love if you cannot be your true self? Is it love if you can't speak the truth? It is not love. It is the urge of dependency and of control. It is unconsciousness. You must love in such a way that other person feels free. When it is true love, you enjoy each other's being. Every day is a new day of rediscovering yourself. The other person helps you become a better version of yourself. If it is not growing you as a person on emotional and mental level, it is not love. Unconscious relationships drains you of your energy and you feel so less about yourself. But sweetheart, who will tell you? You are the universe itself manifesting as you. Your energy is same as that of the stars and galaxies. How can you be a lesser person? You just allow an unconscious person to spill his toxicity on you. Love is a journey of companionship where two souls come together to enjoy the journey called life. You celebrate every moment together. Every breath is a celebration. It gives you wings to fly in the limitless sky and you fly higher and higher and higher. You not only look at each other but also look in the same direction. Ideal love fills you with energy of the suppleness of a child. You enjoy like a child. Your being becomes as clear as glass of water. You are not caged. You are not controlled. Your essence blossoms. You become as fluid as melting ice. You drift like a wave on the ocean. True love let you be you. It makes you so much radiant and glowing. But if it is controlling you, questioning your being, if it is just need and dependency, it is nothing more than unconsciousness. So ask yourself today, what are you experiencing? Do you need a controller or a companion? Is your love giving the space to be who you are, or it is just squeezing you? Thank you.